Here's homework help for number 87 in 6.3b. Two tugboats are towing a loaded barge, and the magnitude of the resultant is 6,600 pounds directed along the axis of the barge. See figure. Find the tension in pounds in the tow lines when they each make an 18-degree angle with the axis of the barge. So we'll write three equations, one for tow line 1, one for tow line 2, and one for the loaded barge. So tow line 1, U equals the magnitude of U times cosine of 18 degrees I plus the magnitude of U sine of 18 degrees J. Tow line 2, V, so here's our tow line 2, 18 degrees, which is this way, and so it's going down, so I'm going to say it's negative 18 degrees instead of positive. So magnitude of V is cosine of negative 18 degrees I plus magnitude of V sine of negative 18 degrees J. Then we have our weight of the barge. So weight of the loaded barge, I'll just say barge. So say W equals the magnitude of W and then cosine. Now if we're looking at what is the angle that is happening here, it's going straight to the left. So I would say that is 180 degrees plus the magnitude of W times sine of 180 degrees J. I've got my I right here. Now we do know what the magnitude of the barge is 6,600. So let me simplify this equation a little bit more. This is 6,600. Cosine of 180 degrees is negative 1. And then we have 6,600. Sine of 180 degrees is 0. So we're looking at negative 6,600, comma, 0. And we can say that's our vector for our W. So let's write our equation. So we're going to write a horizontal and a vertical. So horizontal is going to include all of our cosines. A vertical will include all the sines. So let me do my horizontal first. Horizontal equation. So that is the magnitude of U, cosine of 18 degrees, plus the magnitude of V, cosine of negative 18 degrees, plus the magnitude of W. So we're looking here at a cosine of 180 degrees. So I'm just going to plug in just the 6,600 because that's what the magnitude W cosine of 180 degrees is, and that equals 0. Now remembering when we have a cosine and it's negative, that it's even, and so really it's just going to change to positive 18. So I'm going to rewrite this. So magnitude of U, cosine of 18 degrees, plus magnitude of V, cosine of 18 degrees. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move our 6,600 to the other side. So now our equation is 6,600. Now let me go ahead and write the vertical equation. Vertical, so that'll include all of our sines. So magnitude of U, sine of 18 degrees, plus the magnitude of V, sine of negative 18 degrees, equals, and looking at our weight of the barge, our sine value is just 0. So not equals, but plus 0, and that equals 0. Okay, and that's because U plus V plus W, that equals 0, right? Because we'll just say nothing is moving at this point, and so it's just holding still. So what we want to do is to solve, and really if you're looking at the boats here, we can say as a note that u equals v. Note the magnitude of u equals the magnitude of v. They're both pulling, the same weight. So I'm going to go ahead and change that here to help us to solve for u. So u equals v. So I'm going to change, this is going to stay as magnitude of u, and now I'm going to call this magnitude of u as well. So we have the magnitude of u cosine of 18 degrees plus the magnitude of u cosine of 18 degrees, and that equals our 6600. So we have 2 magnitude of u cosine of 18 degrees equals 6600. So now let's divide by 2, cosine of 18 degrees. And then we will solve for the magnitude of a single u. Plug that in your calculator. You should get approximately 3,154.4 pounds each. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.